What's up, guys? It is Minecraft Life here, and this is night 3 of Don't Press the Button. And so yeah, from night 2 we got this enchantment table and anvil, which can be placed on sandstone, which helps you decorate your house. And you actually can't sleep. I don't know why. I don't know, because it's day, obviously. But anyway, so this is night 3. Yes, this is the element of water. We happen to close the library. So yeah, a cursed book has been found and blah blah blah, it needs to be destroyed, you know. Press the button again, obviously, to get those hints. And then, well, I guess no hints, but I mean, you just gotta break that ice block, and then you just gotta climb up these waterfalls right here. And another parkour jump. I swear. Okay, you gotta do the same thing basically. Except it's basically all one big tree. But once again, if I can't get it in 3 tries, then I'm just gonna have to go into game mode 1, which is creative, and just fly up there. Because I refuse to keep failing. I refuse. Okay, there we go. Okay, so then you can't go that way, obviously, and you can't go that way because it's also blocked off. But you're just going to want to go to the library, like it said. What you're going to do is you're going to find a book called Please Read. I believe it is... well, I know it's somewhere. I was about to say I believe it's somewhere. Book called Please Read. And it will actually make the cursed book appear. Okay, yeah, I'm actually not sure which chest it's in. Any of them. Oh, there it is. Okay, right by the entrance. Please read. Okay, and the cursed book will actually not appear until you read this book. So basically then, you're gonna want to go behind this chest, and then you'll see the must be destroyed. Then after you get that, you have to go back to the entrance. Right? You have the barrier breaker, which can break Oakwood stairs. And then get out of there. Then you have to go back to the vents, which you have to break the Oakwood stairs. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna probably have to, you know what, just screw it, I'm not gonna fail a billion times. But you obviously, like, know what to do. Okay, so basically you need to break the Oakwood stairs. And we will actually get to this later this episode. And, okay, so basically then, you have these ladders which can be placed on cobblestone, which you will need. Then you have to go back through here, whatever. Then you have a chest, a storage key that can be placed on a block of gold, which you will need, and a roof key that can be placed on a block of emerald, which you will need right now. So let's just put that in our hand right there. Actually, let me check on how much time. Okay, 4 minutes and 52 seconds. Okay, not bad. Okay, so then you're gonna just want to climb up these ladders, and you're gonna stand on the last one, and then you're gonna sprint. Then you're gonna get your roof key, place it down, climb up this ladder, and you know, don't leave without the cursed book, and there you go. Night 3 complete, and gives you glass panes which can be placed on cobblestone, and there's some cobblestone right there. And that will be it for this episode, guys. I will catch you on night 4. So don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and just leave some feedback and whatever. So goodbye, guys.